Hey guys, thank you so much for watching That Petite Chic. I'm Dhanashree and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. I'd be really happy if you do so. Also today we are going to do this pink brown smoky eye kind of look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first step, I'm starting with the primer. I'm applying it on my T-zone and the pores and spreading it all over my face. All the products that I'm using in this video will be mentioned in the description bar below. Moving on, I'm using the concealer to prime my eyes, and then I'm gonna blend it and then go over with the eyeshadow. Next up, I'm taking an angular brush and applying the brown shade, darker brown shade, on my crease and the outer corner. Once I'm done applying the brown shade and blending it really well, I'm now going in with this beautiful pink shade and applying it all over my eye except the outer corner of the eye. Once I'm done applying both the shade, I'm just making sure everything is blended well. Next, I'm applying the concealer on the outer V's and making sure I rub off all the mistakes. After blending the concealer on the outer V, I'm moving on to the eyebrows and filling in all the gaps and giving a little shape to them. Moving on, I'm applying concealer all over my acne and trying to cover all the pigmentation. Next, I'm applying the concealer on my high points of the face and also my under eye. Now I'm blending everything all together. Next, I'm taking the foundation. It's a little bit darker as per my shade, but I wanted to cover all my acne pigmentation, so I'm using it on my acne and then blending it all over. Once I'm done blending everything, I'm then going to set my face with the Sugar Cosmetics translucent powder. I'm going to bake it under my eye. I'm also going to bake the area above my jawline. Once done with the baking and setting of the face, I'm moving on to bronzing the face. For bronzer, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics bronzer in Woody Wonder, and I'm going to bronze up my high points of the face and my forehead. Oh, how can I forget also bronzing up my nose completely. Next up, I'm using the same eyeshadow palette for the blush. Moving on to my favorite part, the highlighter. I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face. That is the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, the cheekbones and the forehead. Now I'm dusting off all the baking that we did earlier, and I'm using the same fluffy brush that I used for the bronzer, highlighter and the blush. Moving back to the lashes again, I really like to do my lashes later on before the lipstick. So I'm applying the mascara by Maybelline and then I'm going to go in with the lashes by Pac. I'll mention which exactly lash I'm using in the description bar below. Next, I'm applying the mascara to my lower lashes without forgetting. Last but not the least, I'm moving on to the lipstick and using this lipstick by Lakme, and I'm gonna top it off with the lipstick from Nykaa in the shade Let It Snooze. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that tiny bell button right next to the subscribe one so you don't miss out any of my videos. And I'm gonna go now and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.